Hello, everybody. It's Mary Ellen Stites from Create With Me, and I'm here in the Creativity Nest with another Teach Me Tuesday. This will probably be the shortest Teach Me Tuesday that I've ever done. So stay tuned. We'll see. It'll be very short. But I was creating this morning here in the nest with some new product. I'm going to take you to my desk so I can show you. So here is a new stamp set, and it's called Batik Boutique. Okay, say that 10 times fast, or even 3. Batik Boutique. Okay, it's beautiful. So I wanted to see. I like to see when I'm working with new stamp sets what the dies do and what the stamps do. So here's the dies. Whoops, I got almost all of them here. Here's the dies that come in this stamp set. Gorgeous. Cut out beautifully, but that's not what we're going to do today. So have you ever stamped your image on your paper and then went to die cut it out and it didn't match? That's exactly what happened to me today. So I put my stamps on the block. I laid them on the clear block. And since you see that I'm using photopolymer, I will tell you that this is a double padded mat. So this is exactly like what you would be stamping on when you're using photopolymer. You need some kind of a soft surface. This has got two foam. I have 2 foam pads here. So don't give me any negative feedback on that because I am stamping on a foam pad. But that's not what it's about. So I inked up my stamp. Okay. I inked up my stamp as you would. Okay, looks beautiful. And then I went to die cut it out on my little boss here. And I wiggled it and I moved it. And I thought, okay, well, when I have that stamp, that doesn't work. This is a big problem. This is a big issue. These are broken. I'm gonna have to call Stampin' Up. No, okay, this was user error. So I'm gonna hopefully help you with that. So what do you do? First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your stamp off of your block. You want to lay your stamp side down. Just let it fall just like this. I kind of drop it, let it fall naturally, and then I pick up the stamp with my block. Instead of laying the stamp on the block, pick up your stamp with your block after it's laid, after it's fallen naturally onto your desk surface. Then go ahead and ink it up and stamp it. And let's see how I did this time. Okay, so look at that. Perfect. Have you ever done that? Is it just me? I don't think it's just me. So hopefully I've helped you with something that is causing a problem. Maybe it has in the past, or maybe it is something that you'll fall into in the future with stamps. As that's, don't forget, that's a nice thing about the photopolymer is that you can curve it, you can stretch it, you can make it work for you. It's beautiful. But when you're die cutting, especially when it's something like this, when you're die cutting 2 images together with the same die, you want them to lay the way that the die cut. So this is just a little tip for you on Teach Me Tuesday. If you like what I've done, please share it and like it and comment. I appreciate that. And if you need what I'm working on, or you need something on the new catalog, you can visit my store at createwithme.stampinup.net. I have a host code open, so you can just snap a picture of the screen right now and use that host code, and that will get you your goodies delivered right to your door. So thank you very much for tuning in for Teach Me Tuesday, and I'll see you next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Central Time for another Teach Me Tuesday. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.